Welcome to today's short video. We'll learn how to access and use public databases for molecular typing and microbial genome diversity analysis. Draft genome data can be used to determine the species identity of an isolate. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Click the Species ID tab to begin the search. Ribosomal multilocus sequence typing is an approach that indexes variation across 53 genes encoding bacterial ribosomal protein subunits, providing a unified framework for microbial taxonomy and strain typing. The catalog variation in these RPS genes enables rapid determination of the phylogenetic position of bacterial sequences at multiple taxonomic levels, including domain, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, and strain. Upload your genome in FASTA format and click Submit to run the analysis. Here, the predicted taxa are displayed. If the allele support is above 90%, it usually means we have high confidence in the species identification. Only exact matches are shown here. If a locus has no match, try querying it directly to find the closest hit. You can also download the full results in text or Excel format. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.